Hi, this is Bill Tavernese from Florida Premier Realty here in Wellington, South Florida, as the rest of the world knows us. I just want to say we had Daniel come in today. As you can see by my background, Exponential Real Estate Results. And I just got to say, Daniel blew the roof off the building. But Daniel's energy, Daniel's willingness to teach a group who some of my agents have been in the industry a lot of years also, just blew it out the door today. So I really want to thank him for coming in today, and I'm looking forward to working with him in the future. If you're thinking about it, don't make the mistake and call somebody else, call Daniel. The great thing about Daniel coming out today, he gave my agents some nuggets. I like to call them nuggets, but he gave them some real world tips on what to use today when they walk out the door, how to make some extra business for themselves. And I know a lot of them are going to use them and they're going to be thankful for that. But me being in the business for so many years, I did realize the value in those golden nuggets as well. So if you're going to call Daniel, you have my thumbs up. One quick last testimony about Daniel and Exponential Real Estate Results Workshop. It really was great. My agents got a lot out of it. I got a lot out of it. So I'm looking forward to the next one as well. Are you ready to get exponential?